Hi, I'm Aisha, and I'm so delighted that you have joined me for these mini meditations. These have been tailored just for you. I sincerely appreciate your presence. If you find solace in my meditations, accompanied by the sound healing frequencies, I have an abundance of offerings that may interest you. By subscribing, you can delve even further into your meditation practice and support the growth of this channel. Not only will you experience a deeper level of meditation, but you will also gain access to valuable tools, techniques, and various practices to enhance your overall meditation journey. All of this and more will be available to you every month for a nominal fee. Rest assured, you have the freedom to cancel your subscription at any time. Join me on this transformative path and unlock the vast potential within you. Subscribe now and embark on a fulfilling meditation journey like never before. Welcome to mini meditations with me. Find a comfortable position. You can do this one either seated or lying down. And let's start by relaxing the body as we take a few deep breaths. And we can breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let's take a few clearing breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as we breathe, the body relaxes because with every inhale, we visualize calm and peace. And with every exhale, we're releasing all of the tension, the stress, the strain. We're relaxing the overthinking mind. And we're just guiding our awareness to this moment as we return the breath to its normal, natural rhythm. Just a normal, natural rhythm. And as we guide our awareness into this moment, we guide our awareness into our body. Just notice from your head all the way down your body to your feet and your toes. Just scanning your body and noticing if there is any tension, any stiffness, any strain, any discomfort in any of the areas. Just notice it without resisting it. Just sit and be present with it. Even if there's pain present in the body, notice the pain without even needing it to go away. Just be present to the pain. And with your breath, you are going to bring even more consciousness to these areas. So as you breathe in, you're fully accepting and noticing what you see, what you feel. And as you breathe out, you let go of all of the resistance. You let go of the need for it to go away. You understand that the body is communicating with you and you're just being really present. So not needing any of it to go away, but just bringing the awareness into it, accepting it fully. Almost like you're giving it a hug with your warm, loving, welcoming arms. And with every breath, you feel it soften and soften. And now you notice that the body starts to open up. And we're going to bring our awareness to the sound. To every sound as it moves into the body. It moves into every cell of the body. And as the sacred sound moves into the body, lights up. The sound amplifies this light, it grows. And allow the sound and allow this light within your very body to heal, because it's a very healing light. You have this naturally within you. Allow the sound to go into every cell, into the nerves, into the tissue, into your very blood, into the muscles, into the bones, into the bone marrow. Into the bone marrow. Just breathe and relax the body. The body feeling much lighter and so relaxed, we guide our awareness to our fingers and our toes as we wriggle them about, and stay in this space for a bit longer. Thank you for joining me.